Hello, Kyle, River Valley Marine. I am here to show you the brand new Cool Touch Phantom Black interior from Bennington Pontoons, along with what layouts we offer it in. As you can see here, we've got the RX 25. We've also got it in the deluxe swingback, which makes it extremely versatile. Dual stern gates instead of the keeper rail. That way you can use the swingback quite a bit better than with the keeper rail. So you can move around, you can walk around the back of it. We do stock this with and without the power cladded arch. As you can see here, it folds very easily, very quickly, and it's quiet. So all you lake home and cabin owners, you're gonna love this. We stock this also with the windshield. You can get it without as well. Dual screens, you'll see it here in a little bit. We've got lots of storage underneath all the seats, in front of the captain's helms, underneath both consoles. In-floor storage is huge, it's over 7 feet long. Storage underneath all the seats. And yes, this is cooler than even the lighter graphite interior by 14 degrees, and I can prove it. Over here, you can see we also stock it in our fastback or quad bench layout. So this provides you with benches up front, co-captain seat exchange, and we've got benches in the back as well. And one feature I really want to show you, this is all new for 2024, the adjustable headrest. You no longer need to hold up your head and enjoy the lake. Everybody, come into any one of our retail stores. We've got 6 different locations in 3 different markets. We're gonna have this boat in all of our showrooms. Come out, check it out. It's cool. Gotta see it.